She says, what about OpenAI automations? Is it good enough for now? It's okay, but it's not mind-blowing. So it's okay. That's what I would say. You're talking about the AI agent builder, aren't you? I think when you talk about that. And I think when I tested it out, it was okay, but it was like super simplified. It was kind of like ChatGPT Atlas, where it's okay, but it's like, is that going to change everything that I do? No, right? Because why has it got ends in between? I'll try that again. I'm going to generate post headlines. Would I use the N8N AI agent workflow builder? Nah. The same as ChatGPT Atlas. It's just not good enough for me to change my habits. Lolo says, where are you from? I am from Manchester, England. She says Germany, M2. In 1 month, I start schooling for N8N. And Brandon says, thanks for the honest review, bro. There we go. All right. So we're going to generate that now. Brian Anthony is a new member. Shout out to you, Brian. Thanks for joining. And Brandon says, yeah, same is not good enough to change. Yeah, I would agree. It's like, a lot of this stuff is okay, but it's not going to change your habits because it's not mind blowing, right? Whereas, for example, something like AI Studio is so good that I build on there. I don't really build custom GPTs anymore. It's just way, way better. And then she says, I think you're a US guy. Yapasu says, can you connect AI Studio to Firebase database? I don't know, but I want to know. Let's have a look on Google and ChatGPT to figure that out. I like that idea, man. Looks like you can integrate with Google. In Firebase Studio, you can directly add API keys and services from the Firebase Studio in your workspace. Yeah, so you can add your API keys. So, for example, you would build it inside Firebase, publish it, and host it there. But then you would add the API key from AI Studio and that sort of thing. I think that's the way that you do it. So let's go back inside here. I'm going to delete that. Let me show you how this works. So we've got all these posts generated with our new tool that we just built live. I'm going to paste that in. Then we're going to paste this in. There we go, my friends. There we go. And all we need to do is just insert the YouTube video URL, which we can grab from there. We'll go back over here, type that in. That should show the thumbnail preview from the AI tool that we used before. Then we'll hit post. And that is very nice, isn't it? That is very nice. So now we've got something that we can post across Twitter, across school, across LinkedIn, across Facebook. And it's like, here's the title, here's the content, and also here's the link to the AI Profit Boarding, right? So if people watching that and they want to get good strategies, they click on that. We funnel traffic to our sales page. Lovely jubbly. So you can see the power of this stuff. You can see how easy it is to do this, right? We've got how many tools in here? We've got the live stream video idea generator. We have the image generator for thumbnails. We have the social media post for the AI Money Lab and for Facebook